for looking at Snail by Smashing Pumpkins for Charlie Lafferty over at Patreon. Thanks indeed for your support, sir. We're in standard tuning. And I've got 3 pedals for this one, but I'll talk you through those quickly. Got my Morgan MVP set up as usual. Just right on the edge of breakup. And I've got 2 pedals from JSA Effects. Simon makes wonderful things in a truly boutique one-man band fashion. Demo's coming. First one is the Nightingale, which adds a little bit of grit for that intro part. And then I'm using the Funny Little Boxes Dirt for the main rhythm tone. But then I'm using another JSA Effects pedal, the Heartstopper, doing a demo for that too. That's got a great story to it, but it's such a great fuzz. And that's for the lead part. This video is a bit of a gathering of all my friends, really. This one is made by Markus, Blanchflower Guitars, that he's lent me for a little bit, which is fantastic. So do go and check out his stuff. I'll put all the links in the description below. Right, on with the lesson. Intro goes like this. Okay, that's the first bit. So we're on an A chord for the most part, and it's down, 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 up, down, down, up. Okay? Then 2 bars of that, and then we go to... So that's A to E minor to G. Then we do the same thing with some fills. That's cool, isn't it? So you go to the G, and then hammer on and slide, 7th fret. And Billy does a lot of runs on the same strings. The second one then goes... just on the E string this time. Then we've got a grace note slide, and you play the 5th fret straight after. And the final one is... I'm putting the Nightingale on, which goes like this. So a much more rhythmic part. Basically play an A chord with some pull-offs. Okay, so we have... like that, okay? Let me play it clean. A load of 16th notes thrown in, right? Then coming out of that... put your distortion on, then we're going to go to this G chord. Like that, okay? So I'll do it clean. We go 3, 4. So down, up, down on the G. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 change. And we're going G chord to a D5 with F sharp in the bass. And then to the A. And you do the A for 3 bars. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Round that again, right? And then you go 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then we do another 3 bars of A and 1 bar of G. Okay, and that's the verse. Next part goes like this. there we had down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. And then, same as before, but we do a little rhythmic down, 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 up. Like that. Second time. Same as before, right? No rhythmic stuff happening. Then this next part has some cool overdubs. I'll show you those. So the one guitar part is playing this. Just that, round twice. The other guitar's playing. Time with that. Pretty straightforward stuff. Second time, you do go to this third fret. So we'd have... So you just sort of hammer on to that, yeah? Then we have more of the same with distortion. Twice round of that. Then we go into this clean part, which is kind of a new part. We have... That plays around 4 times. I'll play it slowly again. Pretty straightforward though. Just going between A and G. But it's quite a nice use here. Keeping that E fretted. After 4 times we go... Okay, and then we're into this part again, same as before. Another part repeats, which is this 2 guitar part where we have... overdub plays. Plays that. You go around that 3 times this time. And then we have an extra bar of A. Then we're into the outro section, which builds up over like 22, 23 times. And we're in 6/8 now. So we go... and it gradually builds up, right? So we'd have 10-9-0, 9-0-0. And here we play double stops, right? So all with the open A. 23rd times a subtle variation we have. A 1-beat rest, and then you're into an A sus2. And that's it. So let's do the solo parts in case you want those. The intro bit, this comes in about 55 seconds, is this. If you've got enough volume and a cab nearby, I don't actually have a speaker here, then you'll get some nice feedback going on, hopefully, when you get to that 9th fret. It's all very legato, though, so we've got... So you just got a half-step bend and release, and then this little... quick hammer on, pull off, and slide down to the 2nd fret. And then we go... little full step bend there, and then you know, next bit comes in at 144. It's played over the A and the G to D parts we have. Comes in on the 3rd beat, so we have 1, 2. Pretty straightforward, right? Play it twice. So you're sliding. Then we got this little bend part that comes in after you've played 2 of those. It goes. Got that going on. Just a little bend on the 9th fret, half step. That's that same part where we go up to the, you know, from the D with F sharp in the bass. Then leading on from that we have. All that on one string, right? That bit goes along with that, right? But we start on the 9th fret. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then that going on. Then we go to the 10th fret. And then we've got a 1.5 step bend. Pretty straightforward stuff. Then I'm going to race through these. Then we have the 3rd solo, 2 minutes 54 roughly. We have. So we've got. Okay. And then from the 2nd fret, 2, 3, 4. Again. Over that bit, right? That. And then we have, these are the little fills, same as before actually, so it's. The only difference being you go to the 5th fret rather than the 3rd fret. And then the outro solo, this is over the 6/8 part, so 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Fill there. Then we go 12th fret. Then you go to the 17th fret, so that would be. One and a half step bend there. And then this quick sort of, it's quite quick. Fake that till you make that. And that is it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.